guys, it's Avery and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making pumpkin bread. Okay, so the first thing we're gonna do is preheat the oven. So I'm gonna press bake and start. Now it is preheating. The next thing you're gonna do is mix all of our dry ingredients. I already have salt in there. So now we are going to add baking soda. Just dump that right in there. Next, we're going to do baking powder. This is my first time ever baking anything on my own, so I'm a bit nervous, but it's okay. I got this. So now we're gonna take our whisk and just whisk all the dry ingredients together. And then once we do that, we're gonna do our wet ingredients and then put them together. I forgot one thing, we have to add the cinnamon. So I'm gonna do this over the sink. Oops, that was a little bit of a mess, but that's okay. Okay, pouring the cinnamon into here. And now we're gonna whisk all of that together and then work on our dry ingredients. Okay, putting that aside, I'm just gonna put that right back here. Now we're gonna work on our dry ingredients. We got our purple bowl. First, we're going to add the oil. Pour that in here. It's already, I have all my ingredients already set out, so I just need to pour it all in. Next, we're going to add the sugar in with our oil. Next, 1 teaspoon of vanilla. So we're gonna put this in here. Okay. All right, I just gotta get a paper towel real quick because I dripped some vanilla. It's okay. Okay, all cleaned up. Next, we're going to add our egg. So, I've tried many methods of cracking eggs. I've seen a lot of people where they like flick it like I tried to do, but that clearly did not work. That's okay, we got it all in there. Okay, our last dry ingredient is pumpkin puree. So we're just gonna dump that whole thing in there. So just squeeze this out. This is gonna take me a minute. Oh, I got a spoon right here. And take it, scrape it on the side. There we go. Perfect. Gotta get the whole can. Okay, almost there. That was easy. We're already almost done. All right, we now have all of our dry ingredients in here. I'm going to turn on this and use the electric mixer. I gotta go nice and slow to start off, so. Then once this is all whisked, we're going to add our dry ingredients to our wet ingredients. Okay, it is all mixed. It looks like baby food and smells like baby food. But now we're gonna pour it into our dry. I'm gonna mix the dry one more time to make sure it's thoroughly mixed. Okay, now we're pouring in our pumpkin, our dry ingredients to our, wet ingredients to our dry. This bowl's huge, you guys can't even see me. I'm just scraping the sides down to get all of the pumpkin and all the wet ingredients, pouring it into the dry. Okay, now we're gonna take this and mix them all together. Oh shoot, I just got pumpkin all over the counter.
Oh no.
I'm sorry, Mom, I will clean that up. Oops, this is very, very hard, but I'm gonna try to get all of it. I like to put my hand right here, so that way I have more grip. But my sister's laughing at me because I just spilled pumpkin all over the counter. Now I'm gonna use this to scrape the sides now that I've mixed pretty much all good. So now we're just gonna move that and scrape the bottoms because it's really hard to get the bottoms with the electric mixer. So just scraping the bottoms really well, mixing it. Then after this, we're gonna add the chocolate chips, the best part. And then pour it into the pan, spray the pan, put it in the oven, and then the final step is tasting it. I've only had pumpkin bread once, and I've had pumpkin cookies like every other time. But I wanted to do pumpkin bread because it just felt easy. It's really good. Brief intermission while I lick these clean. They're really good. Final and best part, we're going to add the chocolate chips If you do not have chocolate chips in pumpkin bread or pumpkin cookies, you're doing it wrong. You need to add chocolate chips in everything. So, if I can get this open, can you help me?
Oh. Mom's so
Cute.
smart.
Okay, so I'm gonna cut these open and I'm gonna pour the entire thing in the bowl. Because you can never have enough chocolate chips, you know? I can't get it open. Mom, please help me. And into the bowl they go. Oh, that was a lot. I didn't realize how much was actually in the bag. Oh well. I guess we're just gonna mix this until it's fully mixed and then put it in the pan. Now, I outlined, well, my mom did. She outlined the pans, that way it would fit on the bottom of these. And then I'm gonna get the spray. Ryan, could you actually? Oh, it's right here. Never mind. So I'm gonna spray these on top so that way it doesn't stick. So we're just gonna cut these out and put it on the bottom of the pan. Got the pans with the paper. You can't really see them. Well, you can see on this one, but not really this one. Anyways, they're in there. Now I'm gonna take more spray and just spray it. That way it really doesn't stick. And we don't have any trouble getting it out. Okay, now we're gonna do an even amount of this each. This is like 1 pound of this. This is so heavy. So now, I gotta get the scissors out of here. We're just gonna pour it into the bowl. Oh, the pan I meant. This is really heavy. Okay, I'm looking this clean, but we have 1 and 2. I kind of made a mess on the oven, but that's okay. So we're gonna put these in the oven for how long? I don't know. Anyways, we're gonna put these in the oven and then the final step is tasting it. We're putting these in the oven. Here they go. Goodbye. I'll see you later. Done. It smells so good in here. I'm gonna get one out at a time because I only have 1 glove right now. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to eat that. Let me get the other one out. It's a little hot right now, so I'm gonna have to wait a little bit to eat them, but they look so good and it smells amazing. Like better than I ever imagined. Cut myself a slice that is finally cool enough. So I'm just gonna cut a little piece off. It smells so good. So I'm just gonna put a little piece of That's so good. That's so good. You wanna try some?
Yeah.
So good. I will put all the ingredients down below and I will also put it up on the screen. So if you guys want to make pumpkin cookies or pumpkin bread, you guys can make it at home. It's super easy and it's super delicious.
That's so good.
I know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it and I hope that you will make this at home or pumpkin cookies. It is so good and let me know if you do. Bye guys.